Hi, I'm Mike Kilalia with IADC and drillingcontractor.org. We're filming this from the 10th anniversary edition of IADC Drilling HSE Europe, which we're holding in Amsterdam, Netherlands this week. I have with me Mr. James Darnell, who's Vice President of Health, Safety, and Environment for Noble Drilling Services. James, thanks a lot for coming to us and taking part in this webcast. James has a background in the refining industry and is bringing that expertise over to the drilling area. James, can you give us a little information on how your expertise in refining plays into the drilling processes?
Sure. If you look at refining over the last 20 years, they've had a fairly intense focus on process safety, and I think in the drilling industry since the Deepwater Horizon event, process safety is at the forefront here in drilling.
Can you give me some just real top-level thoughts on what we can do to improve process safety in drilling?
Sure. I think a focus on providing good quality information relative to your rigs, getting that out to your employees so they understand the equipment they're operating, the limitations of the equipment they're operating, developing good procedures for your people, making sure they're field verified, making certain that the right employees are involved in developing those procedures. Management of change is very important, applied to people, processes, and equipment. A laser-like focus on asset integrity and starting to transition away from just compliance-based asset integrity into risk-based asset integrity. And then audits at all levels, rig level, division level, and corporate level audits. I think all of those things will help us progress.
Moving into the risk-based approach to process safety, is that sort of analogous to the safety cases and HSE cases we have on the personal safety front, would you say, James?
I think it is. But there's a whole host of other risk-based tools that we could be applying: LOPA analysis, HEMP analysis, HAZOPS analysis. All of those kinds of things are tools that we can introduce in the industry. Use more.
In our industry, as I'm sure you've learned, the emphasis for decades has been on improving personal safety, slips, falls, pinches, dropped objects. How does the larger process safety and asset integrity issues fit into the matrix of HSE in the drilling industry?
I think it all fits together. I don't think you're going to make tremendous strides in process safety and not see strides made on occupational health and safety. I don't think you're going to make tremendous strides in process safety and not see improvements in reliability, productivity, efficiency, all of those things.
James, thanks so much for your time, and we really appreciate you coming out and speaking to the audience here at Drilling HSE Europe. And thanks to all of you for tuning into this webcast. We enjoy bringing these to you, and look for more of these on drillingcontractor.org. Thanks, keep turning to the right, and be safe.